It's snowbird time. Time to get out of Cleveland before that horrible overcast snowy weather hits. So I'm loading up my new folding stand-up trailer, which I have a link to in the description and comment section of this video, which holds my supermoto and golf cart. And this thing can hold a full-size side-by-side, believe it or not. But I'm headed down to my new 20-acre southern property known as Fort CycleCruza. Country roads, take me home, baby.
Your mouth shoulder look pretty, boy. What you doing around these parts, boy?
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
Make sure you're wearing the gear out there to stay safe, and I have some awesome gear if you want to get it. This is my favorite helmet, ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an automatic tent shield, airbag vest to help keep you safe, gauntlet gloves, winter jacket, all my gear. I include links in the description and comment section of this video.
Look at these tall hardwoods. Beautiful pine smell on this property. It's awesome. So peaceful. Great place to meditate. Down here, my southern country property, and it is beautiful. It is so nice to see the sun every day and the weather warm, unlike Cleveland. So peaceful. Beautiful pine smell. Oh, I love it down here. Why I continue to keep a house in Cleveland, I don't know. But it's nice to be able to escape up north whenever I want to. But here is my $750 Craigslist golf cart that I fixed up. Bam! Oh yeah! Check it out! Yeah! Got me a golf cart! Yeah, buddy! Awesome now. It's got the stereo system. It's got the roof rack. Got the spotlights. Check it out. Got the bed that turns into a seat. Man, these lights just light up the driveway. By the way, I have a link to these lights in the description and comment section of this video. Man, these things are bright. Look at that. Also, I have a voltmeter here as well. See there? Check it out. Stereo system. Take you down to my shooting range. Ride four-wheelers, dirt bikes, whatever. Hike on my trails out here. All these acres. Quiet. It's awesome. Got 4 bedrooms here in this house, built in 2007. That was only used 2 weeks out of the year since it was built. The previous owners just use it as a vacation home, kind of like I'm doing, but I'm using it for about 4 to 5 months out of the year, and then I go back to my suburban Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio house. Here's my shooting range here. I just need to get a target to put on here. Also, I plan to put an archery setup on here. And I have yet to explore the entire property yet. A lot of acres, trails, and yet I get full cell signal out here, believe it or not, throughout these woods. And I'm getting fiber optic internet by December 28th. It's going to cost $5,000, but I don't have to pay it, luckily. Spectrum will cover the cost. We got a lot of stuff to do down here. Beautiful golf courses not far from here. Got a beautiful mountain lake not far. Oh man, this is a slice of heaven on earth for me. Got an underground bunker here. Check it out. Bam! Here's a dog. African Basenji. Go on. Yeah! How fast? It's a fast dog. You want a Scooby's treat? Yeah. My driveway. Hey, Skittles! Right. Got my Callaway clubs here. And of course, I got my Supermoto, custom street legal Supermoto 2019 YZ450 FX. Love this bike. Best motorcycle I've ever owned.
Yeah, baby, we out here. Out here in these back roads out here. Yeah, nothing but beautiful southern country life out here. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, here's that road. Check this bridge out. Out here on these dirt roads down south in this small rural town out here, baby. I better be careful though, man, because my GPS might not pick up some of these real backwoods rural areas, man. So I better not go too far off the beaten path. You know what I'm saying? Because I might meet somebody and say, your mouth sure to look pretty, boy. What you doing around these parts, boy? Huh? What you doing around here? You ain't from around these parts, boy. You better take your Yankee self back up north. You ain't welcome around these parts, boy. I'm just joking. These people are nice as what out here, man. I tell you. But I ain't going. I don't know if I'm gonna go too far here, man. This looks kind of sketch. This could be going to somebody's private property that may not take too kindly to supermoto riders. They probably don't even know what a supermoto rider is out here. Dude, I'm getting out of here, man. This don't look right, boy. It don't look right. These woods kind of gnarly out here. That red dirt, baby.
Check out this epic find. An old southern plantation mansion. Is this awesome or what? You don't come across houses like this too often. This is epic, man. From my research, this was built in 1829. That's a full 34 years before slavery ended. So I'm sure there were slaves that tended to the land and this house at one time. And it has been abandoned for over 2 decades. The last time it was used as a bed and breakfast. This place is officially haunted. A police officer did witness a full-bodied apparition at this residence, guys. And also there's been many paranormal researchers that have went into this house and have recorded crazy events. You know, of course, full-bodied ghosts, voices. They say a lady phantom appears on the balcony over the front door. The chandelier moves on its own. People get scratched and poked. Oh, man. I wanted to go in there. If you look at the state of this wood, I mean, it would have been really dangerous to try to go in this house. I mean, you could fall through the floor and have a real effed up day. Look at that. I wasn't about to go in there, man, but I was in awe of the beauty of this old plantation house, man. It just had a really cool aura about this house, man. Absolutely awesome. Man, just to think that, you know, slaves probably tended to this house and land. Wow. 1829. That is crazy. But it is really creepy, especially at night. You drive by this place at night, man. Whoo. It is creepy. What do you guys think about this old southern plantation mansion? Do you think I should go in there and do an exploration video? Leave a comment. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, baby. Gotta have a little bit of fun out here in the country hood out here. They out here in the country, baby. Down south. We out here. Don't forget to subscribe to my All in One Motorcycle channel. And make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.